September 16th. Card opening. It's a beautiful morning. Sun is shining. It's a giant old bee's nest, but something's climbing around up there. And I started, I heard that noise. Must have been Daphne closing the window. Wanted to go through some cards I picked up in the last little bit, the collection. Have a gold foil Dylan Carlson. I got a HGA 9. That's for cheap. And this next one's one I've been looking at for a while and finally able to find it. Not a cheap card, but I think a card that's going to hold some gold value. And that is a Yachty rookie card, HGA 9.5. Okay, pre-rolled for some cards. Just getting them organized real quickly. We'll get started. Topps 98 still doing the trudge. My 2002 or 2003 box, I think I put it somewhere. That's why you haven't seen it recurred. It hasn't been shuffled in. We're almost done with this set though. I think we've seen all the tricks that this one set has. Maybe I'll throw, I have an old upper deck box we'll throw in there. Reggie Sanders, John Raquel, Reuter, Holt, Sean Stewart, Wetland. This is the minted in Cooperstown. These are like 1 in 8, I want to say. Jeff Conine, Wrigley, Roberto Hernandez. We're not gonna get anything too germane. He's on Moises Alou. Oops. Next, continue hitting some cards down. 2008 Bowman. Boom. Carlos Beltran. Dontrell Williams. Here's our auto. We have a Jeff Cruiser and a Ryan Royster. Jeff Cruiser Prism at a 250. I have no idea who that guy is. It's got this giant line coming down the left side. I mean, it's right where the prism would go. It just stands out like a sore thumb. Okay. I guess technically you'd call it a printing line, but technically there'd be tons of printing lines. Series 2. This is a hobby random. Probably got this from a Jabs box or something similar. Flora, Shrub. Not all that much there. Not every hobby pack has something good, huh? Pro debut. Sabato, Carola Container, Vera Jones. Again, a little bit not greatest up to key what that is. We have Alan Ginter. We are starting a second row now. We do have a thick card in here. So the first top card of the row is the Relic. Mondesi, Stan Musial, Kim, Warren Span, and Nico Horner Relic. So far we have a Tony Gwynn Relic and a Nico Horner Relic. Daz Cameron. Normal back. Nico Horner is non-numbered. And the Hassan Kim. He's got a little bit of a pinstripe there. So one hit left. Should be the top of the pack. 2 hits so far today. Now we'll do Topps Chrome. Andres Jimenez, Rafael Lariano, Edgar Martinez of Puerto Rico, and Marco Gonzalez. That's it from there. Anyway, that's it for the card opening. You guys enjoy your weekend.